ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Kamon ban long slur, ringkat bat kaman ba Shongkia, ka Shong ha ka Jinglong scam, bat Jingjet bastard jongi. Ka Tata Harrier, ka Kali ka ban san ya ka Lintia jongpi, ka la ban long ka jongpi minta. Book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors, lat korngi, lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar, not hinyo kanda hinyo lai.
Ka Sorkar jela ha ka arpu iterik unai weng arajar arpulai. Kala rai ban khot da ka jingyalang jongki kanhun beper bat ya ki rangba asnong nagbanta ban ya theria tai sani bha. Ha ka baya dei bat ka Ïada ya ka Tyllong ha wak dait light kor bat ya ka wa ken. Ya ka ni ka rai la shim ha ka jingyalang balapanyai do menteri ramba ka jela ukan rat ke sangma. Ha rengkat ke Ïada lang jong menteri ketenat PHE Marquis and Marak bat menteri ketenat water resources uba coming one mbon.
Had a meeting in the cabinet room chaired by Honorable Chief Minister, where myself and Makaming Water Resources Minister attended. This is regarding the water supply, Umken water supply scheme, regarding protection of water source at Wakdait Light Core. So, Honorable Minister Water Resources, last time he inspected the source there and found that the water source has been, disturbed by the sand mining, stone quarrying, etc. So that is the reason why today Honorable Chief Minister has called this meeting, where all the departments related to this water source has been called. Officers from PHE, Water Resources, Forest Department has also attended. So in the meeting, it has come to the conclusion that the stakeholders will be called for the meeting at the level of DC. So DC will be initiating the meetings with all the stakeholders there, including the stone quarrying people. So along with the Rambashnongs and headmen of that locality. So that decision has been taken. And as per the provisions of the forest and water source protection, steps will be taken. But first the meeting will be held along with the stakeholders, Rambashnongs, and decision will be taken later on. Options, what has to be done, because we need to protect the river, these sources also, otherwise we will be facing lots of difficulties in near future. So we'll have to check the options, what we can do, how we can go about. We cannot ignore the people. We have to consult them, we have to consult and we have to talk to them, and then we will have to make them understand and how we have to move. We'll think of the steps, necessary steps after the meetings. Option is being studied. So once detailed studies are completed, we'll be able to know what are the options that we can follow. Yes, there are catchment area protection acts also. We are trying to find out the options of that also, but consulting with the stakeholders, all the Rambashnongs, headmans there, we will consult everyone. We'll make them understand and accordingly we'll decide.